Good evening everyone, this is Nidhi Agarwal. Welcome back to your last minute strategy revision for class 12 board examination. Today we are going to discuss on writing section questions, that is notice, article, speech, report, advertisement, informal letter and debate. Nothing will go out of these questions. So these are very important, at the same time very confusing questions. Let's start with notice writing. For notice writing, you have to make a 3-line box like this in your answer sheet. Then start with the name of the school, name of the school. Initial should be capital. Then you will have to write notice, all letter bold. After that, you are to write the question title, that is, you can say it like debate competition. Debate competition. You are going to write a notice on debate competition. Here in both these lines you can write the date for today, that is 19/02/24. Then the language of the notice should be very formal. We can start it with, this is to inform all the students of class 9 to 12 that the school is going to organize a debate competition. The topic can be given here, and do not forget to mention the venue, time, date and place. Even if you have mentioned it here only, you have to mention it separately here. After that, the designated body, that is, if you are a head boy, if you are a head girl, you have to write like head boy and your name and sign. So number 1, name of the school. Number 2, notice. Number 3, the topic of your notice writing. Number 4, the date. Number 5, proper starting for the notice writing. Then proper ending of the notice writing. Then number 7 is to point down all such details. And number 8 is to write the name of the authorizing body. The next topic, that is article writing. Article writing will be given to any problem, like if we are talking about pollution, we are given a question to write an article on pollution. So since class 6th and 7th we all have been reading all things about pollution, so this is not a tricky thing. So we can say article writing, first of all we have to give the topic, the title of the article, don't forget about it. So we can make it like pollution and hazards of pollution. We have intensified the title. Then we have to give the byline. Byline, it is said like byline, but here you have to mention your name. If the name has been given in the question, you will write that name, and if it is not given, you will write X, Y, Z. Then divide your whole article, like if we are writing an article on hazards of pollution, we have to divide this hazards of pollution in 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. In first paragraph, we will talk about problem of topic. Then we will talk about causes of the topic, and then we will talk about solutions. Here we are not supposed to give anything, we are not supposed to make any box for this, and the word limit can be go to 100 to 120. यहाँ पर जो आपकी वर्ड लिमिट होगी वो 100 to 120 जा सकती है. 120 से आप इसको 130, 140 तक भी ले जा सकते हो, but do not exceed it more than that. This is hazards of pollution. you can talk about the problem of pollution. Then you have to talk about causes of pollution. Then you have to talk about solutions for pollution. An article writing is purposely written to tell about your point of view about the given topic. Hope it is clear to all what is article writing. Moving on to our speech writing. Speech writing or speech delivery, we can say. You all have delivered so many speeches in your school assembly. This time it will be the same manner. In examination copy you have to write speech in the same manner like we deliver in the assembly. You have to start it with the salutation. Good morning, good evening, hello everyone. We can start it with good morning principal sir, coordinator ma'am, my worthy teachers and all my classmates. Today I am here to talk about a very important thing, that is cancer. Today we are going to celebrate World Cancer Day, and in the same manner of article writing, divide your speech in 3 paragraphs, 1, 2 and 3. Again we have to write about problem in speech writing, causes and of course solutions. Do not leave without giving solutions. The word limit will be again 100 to 120. You can exceed it till 130, 140. Do not exceed it more than that. And do not forget to end your speech on thank you for all the listeners. Coming on to our next topic, that is report writing. For report writing, you will be given a question like your school has celebrated the annual function, some event at your school. So you will have to write a report for your school magazine, for newspaper. Like that you can start it. For report writing, first of all you have to give a catchy headline so that everyone should read it. Like if your school has attended World Cancer Day. Okay, तो यहाँ पर आप अपना जो टॉपिक देंगे वो क्या देंगे, वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे सेलिब्रेशन एट योर नेम ऑफ स्कूल. After that you will have to start it with date and place. You can write it like today it's 19 February 2024, place that is Bhopal, at name of your school or any of the organization you can take, and after that you will have to write it. Our school celebrated World Cancer Day with great zest and zeal. In that you will have to mention the name of your principal, the name of your chief guest. There may be some chief guest in the celebration, and the series of the events you will discuss about how you welcome your chief guest, how he delivered a speech on World Cancer Day, what precautions he has given. These all things will come in your report writing, and in the end you will not supposed to write your name of the reporter here. You will have to give your name here, reporter. This is all about report writing. I hope it is clear to all. We are going to move on the next topic, that is advertisement writing, a very small yet creative part of writing section. You will be given a question like आपके ऑफिस में कोई पोस्ट खाली है और आप उसके लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट देना चाहते हैं, तो हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर में कैसा एडवर्टीजमेंट आएगा, आवश्यकता है ना. सो फॉर इंग्लिश वी कैन गो इट फॉर रिक्वायर्ड, ओके, वांटेड and situation, vacant. Either this or this or this. इन तीनों में से आप कोई भी एक टॉपिक ले सकते हैं इस सिचुएशन के लिए. I will suggest you to take situation vacant. Okay? For situation vacant, you will again draft a 3-line box like this. Now, your organization is looking for a receptionist, suppose. For receptionist post, what are the main qualities required? She should be sound in communication, fluent in English, she should be experienced. So, for all these requirements, you will ask for a person. Wanted a female receptionist having at least 3 years of experience with sound communication skills, fluent in English. Salary is negotiable. After that, the issuing body's name of the issuing body, his contact number or email ID. You can go for it for email ID, and that's all. This is all about advertisement writing. I hope. Next topic is formal letter writing. Formal letter writing start with sender's address. After that, date of writing the letter. Then receiver's address, and after that subject, and after that the salutation. Salutation is like respected sir, ma'am. Check how I have written ma'am here. Then body of the letter. The language of this body of the letter, it should be very formal. You have to write it like, with due respect, I want to grab your kind attention towards a very grave matter. Dash. You can quote your problem here. Editor is not a person who can help you. He can only publish or print your letter in his newspaper, so that the concerned authorities may wake up and take some step towards the problem. Is this clear? Then, after body of the letter, we will have to write enclosing. You will have to urge to the editor. आपको editor को कहना पड़ेगा कि sir, I will be very thankful if this letter can get a worthy place in your esteemed daily. Esteemed daily, it means the name of the newspaper. And after that, in closing, you have to write thank you and the name of the writer. The name of the writer, that is yours faithfully, XYZ. XYZ, if the name has been given, you will write the name of the person which has been given already in your question paper. If it is not given, then go for XYZ and your signature. That's all. Class is debate writing. Debate writing, as the name suggests, is a debate, just like the speech writing. In speech writing, we simply tell our point of view about the topic. And in debate, it can be given. आपको क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया जा सकता है कि आपको डिबेट लिखना है either for the motion or against the motion. ठीक है, तो आपको करना क्या है? For the motion के लिए सपोज आपको टॉपिक दिया गया, टीचर शुड कम इन यूनिफॉर्म, ये एक टॉपिक है. तो आपको इस टॉपिक पर अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पास फॉर द मोशन यानी कि आप इसके बारे में अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं, आप इस चीज़ को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, तो आप वहाँ पर फॉर द मोशन में लिखिएगा इन द गिवन वर्ड लिमिट्स. और अगर ऐसा नहीं पूछा जाता है कि आप या तो फॉर द मोशन जाएं या अगेंस्ट द मोशन जाएं या दोनों में से एक में जाएं, तो आप फिर मैं सजेस्ट करूँगी आप दोनों पे जाएं. इट्स अ डिबेट. तो आप एक पैराग्राफ फॉर द मोशन पे लिखिए, फिर एक पैराग्राफ अगेंस्ट द मोशन पे लिखिए. ये सिंपली आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको डिबेट को कैसे लिखना है. या तो आप फॉर द मोशन लिख सकते हैं अकेला, या आप अगेंस्ट द मोशन लिख सकते हैं अकेला, या आप मिला के वर्ड लिमिट के अंदर अंदर इन दोनों को भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट कंक्लूजन. all about debate writing. I hope you have found the video quite helpful. Thank you for watching. All the very best.